everybody. I just happened to be carting to a Publix to grab a few things, and I'm coming through the village of Chitty Chatty when I happen to come running up on the utility workers where they are installing these brand new, much bigger, larger capacity utility poles. And as you can see, the pole right here is it's a smaller, thinner one. And these guys over there with that crane are putting in a larger one, you know, much more significant in size and capacity. Let me pull over here for just a second. Maybe I could show y'all. There's the crane pulling out pole right there. And what they're doing is they are installing new power lines or power poles. They're going to reconnect the power lines right to them. And the purpose for doing that is that they need to run larger, a lot more electrical volume going over to the new villages going south of St. Catherine and crossing over into the areas where they need to run power to all the new medical facilities that are being in the works in the future. And as we get a bunch of cars that come by us. So if anybody was wondering what all these power poles are doing laying on the ground like this, as you can see, here's one laying next to me. Compared to the small one over here, let me get out of this cart. See, just a smaller, it's big, but it's a lot smaller in contrast to this big utility pole. And that's what these utility people are doing right now. I know this seems like a random video, which it kind of is. Like I say, I just happened to ride up on one as they're installing it. I thought it would be kind of a cool, quick little video in case anybody was curious as to what these poles are doing and what these people are doing here and what the purpose is for it. You know, a lot more electrical power, a lot more volume and capacity, moving south, reaching over the turnpike and going into a lot of new future building and developments going that direction, and they need to have the utility capacity for doing that. Thank you. And here it is from a much closer viewpoint coming in from the other direction.